Shiba Inu's Shibarium logo has been revealed. We're going to look at it real quickly. We're also going to talk about the fact that today's a big day for Shibarium. We are expecting basically a big update from the dev team. We're waiting on that. So it's a big day for Shibarium. Okay, so with that said, hit that subscribe button, drop a like. So the logo has been revealed. This is it right here. So this is Shibarium's logo. Okay. And it actually was on Shytoshi's Twitter feed last night. Now it has been confirmed that this is the new logo. Crypto is just crushing it and up really, really nicely, up 4%. Bitcoin, Ethereum up, and Shib is up 6+% on the 24-hour. In fact, its 24-hour high has been a 1336, really looking really good. If we look at the latest chart analysis kind of for that. And this is a indicator that I'm testing out right here, guys. So I really like what I'm seeing so far. But I really like what is going on and kind of all of what I'm seeing with crypto. And interestingly enough, look at this. What's going on over here in kind of a traditional stock worlds? We're down, right? So we're down 200 plus. There was a pretty major down day yesterday and crypto was up yesterday as well as today. So I think crypto is working in kind of a direct contradiction to, what is going on the stock side. Literally kind of how I'm thinking about it is it's a hedge, right? People who are not over there coming over here, things of that nature. So yeah, interesting things going on. We still got the uncertainty out there a little bit with kind of the Federal Reserve and what they're going to do, but that's going to come up in about a month. Okay. So Shib's looking really, really good. Shibarium logo revealed, as well as we got some good stuff going on with today. We're going to get a major announcement. So this is a good day. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.